Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take a look at how we can message your teacher from Schoology. Let's say you have a question or maybe you want to talk about something. What you're going to do is click on the three lines on the top left. From here you're going to find messages and click on that. Here you can see your inbox. You can also see what you have sent. Now to create a new message, in the top right click on the plus sign, and then from here begin to type in your teacher's name. So I'm going to type in my name. And I can say the subject could be maybe a question, and I can say, hi Mr. Vora, I can't type today. How can I submit this assignment? And then I can also click the attach button in the bottom right, and I can actually attach, let's say, a photo or a video or a resource or anything like that. And once I've attached something and I'm ready to send my message, I can click on the green check mark in the top right. Now I've just sent that message to the teacher. You actually heard a ding because I just sent to my email on my Mac. And then I can see within my sent, I just sent that message. Oh, I think it should pop up. Why didn't it pop up? And as the teacher, I actually also just got a message through my email. So I can now respond. Let's see here. I'm going to respond real quick using my phone. Actually, no, I'm going to use my Mac. Give me 1 second. All right, so I just sent myself or Cindy Brady a message saying thank you. And now if I go back into my messages, I can see, okay, there's the response from the question. I can read it, and I can also check my sent and see exactly what I have sent. So that's a nice way to communicate with teachers. So by doing this, it's going to send to their email, and they'll be able to respond to you from Schoology. Really nice way to communicate. I hope this video was helpful. Have a great one.